Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Trevor Hawley with Bali Texture Property, where we specialize in villa development, management, and marketing. I'm going to take you on a tour through some of the most amazing villas that we can find in Bali. And before we get to this villa that's behind me, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for video updates. The river house was designed by Alexi Dornier, who lives in Ubud, Bali. He has amazing designs all around Bali, as well as some international projects as well. You can find out more information and see more of his work at alexidornier.com. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. The river house is 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom. It's located right in the heart of Surin, Bali. So that's only 5 minutes away from Echo Beach. It's the perfect location. And the owners are here 6 months out of the year. So the other 6 months, it is available for rent. We have 3 levels. We're gonna start out here on the ground level. That goes then down to where we have a master living area that goes out to the lawn and the pool. And then upstairs, we have all the bedrooms. So come check this out. It is unbelievable. All right, so we're walking into the main entrance, which I really like. It feels like a back entrance because it's kind of almost feels like a grotto cave that you're walking into. And then as you walk down through the villa, we come out to the back and it opens up and you see this amazing view. So go ahead and follow me in here. I forgot to mention the villa comes equipped with a massage room and a full-service daily staff. The massage room fits 2 beds, so it's the ultimate place to just come relax.